In this video, we'll walk you through how to properly calibrate your shell color sensor to ensure accurate and consistent measurement results. Before you begin, make sure you have your shell color sensor as well as the black and white calibration cards ready. For accurate results, the shell color sensor should be calibrated at least monthly after a software update and whenever the device has been transported, relocated, or serviced. To start the calibration process, open the EggQuality software. In the top menu, go to Settings, then select Measurement Devices. Find the shell color sensor in the list, right-click on it, and choose Calibrate. The calibration window will now open. First, place the shell color sensor onto the black calibration card, ensuring the sensor is fully covered. Now press the red button on the device to perform the black calibration. Next, place the device onto the white calibration card. Press the red button again to perform the white calibration. After completing both steps, confirm the calibration by clicking OK. Your shell color sensor is now successfully calibrated and ready for accurate measurements.